Hello friends, this is Yolanda from Gospel Boat. Today let's introduce an open cabin, 7.5 meter size, with 2 seats and the front cabin. We can see the 2 seat below them. Can open it. Can put things. And the 2 driver seat with the front cabin, with a toilet. Can sleep there totally no problem. Sky windows. Close it. VHF handrails. The back part, a fold-down seat, battery tank, fish tank. Here have a level bed tank. Side can put your bags in here too. 2 sides. Easy design, big space for fishing. The back part will be like this, with the double engine. Outside with blue color. Very beautiful boat. Suitable for family fishing use or commercial use. All be good.